In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate compound interest in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a blank workbook so we have a clean place to work. We'll build a simple, reusable layout you can modify anytime. Before we type anything, let's quickly define compound interest. Compound interest means you earn interest not only on your original amount, called the principal, but also on the interest that has already been added. That interest on interest effect is what makes your money grow faster over time. Now, for the formula we'll use in Excel. The basic compound interest formula is ES principal, mass rate, time. In plain language, you take the principal, multiply it by 1 plus the interest rate, and then raise that whole quantity to the power of the number of periods. The caret symbol, the little character, tells Excel to apply an exponent, which is what creates the compounding effect. Let's set up a quick example so you can see it in action. In column A, type labels to keep things clear. In A1, type principal. In A2, type rate. And in A3, type years. In column B, enter the values. In B1, type 1,000 for 10,000. In B2, type 5% for the interest rate. And in B3, type 3 for 3 years. Tip: make sure the rate is recognized as a percentage. If you prefer decimals, you can enter 0.05 instead. But using 5% is often clearer. Next, choose an empty cell where you want the final amount to appear. Any cell is fine. And type the formula equal B1, 1 parts B2, share B3. Don't forget the equal sign at the beginning. That tells Excel you're entering a formula. Press Enter, and Excel will calculate the result. You should see 115.7625. That number is the final amount after 3 years of compounding at 5% on a principal of 10,000. If you want, you can format it as currency, so it shows with a $sign and 2 decimals, but the value is the same either way. Here's a quick breakdown of what each part means. B1 is your initial amount, the principal you start with. B2 is the interest rate per period, in our setup per year. B3 is the number of periods, here the number of years. And the symbol applies the power that creates the compounding. That's it. You've built a clean, understandable way to calculate compound interest in Excel, and you can now change the principal, rate, or years to model different scenarios instantly. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.